Today, I will be going over the specifications for the linear actuator used on the Maga. It is 100% waterproof and is able to have 500 pounds holding capacity. Now, if we look over here, using the remote, it's very responsive to raise and lower. You're able to get exact precision for where you want the height of the blade to be. Now, using this force, we're able to take two 2x4s, place them underneath the plow. By using the force, the Maga is actually able to lift itself up onto one tire. As you can see, this tire is now elevated. This makes it very easy to take the wheel on and off to switch out to summer tires.